Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Girl, you know what I'm saying.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kay, and in today's video, we're doing a little maintenance vlog. So y'all are gonna come along with me on my appointments. I have an appointments checklist, so I'm gonna pop that in. But right now, I'm just having a little smoke sesh in the living room. But I am about to get ready for my hair appointment today. It is at 11:15 or 11:30, I believe. And it's about 30 minutes away. But yesterday, I had my lash appointment. If y'all see, I did get my lashes done. Good morning. So it is 11:13 a.m. I am here at my lash appointment. I got my cash. Honestly, I did a $20 deposit, so I only owe $65, but I normally don't have cash on me. I just got this from the ATM and I have 80. So she's gonna get 80 from me. Hopefully my lashes turn out cute because this is my first time getting lash extensions. I got here like 2 minutes earlier. She's literally only 8-9 minutes away from where I live. So this is perfect. Hopefully she does a good job. I'm about to get out and get my lashes done. I hope y'all enjoy and come with me to all my appointments. And yes, I have my bonnet on. I just woke up. So I'm leaving my lash appointment. This is what my lashes now look like. Definitely need to moisturize my lips, but this is what my lashes look like. It took about 2.5 hours, which I'm not mad at. I definitely took a little nap. It felt amazing. But yeah, she was really good, really nice. It was quiet. The music was a vibe. So that's that. That's my lash appointment. That's really the only appointment I have for today. I literally have an appointment a day. It was my first time getting lash extensions, and right before that I did like a DIY temporary lash extensions at home. Can definitely do it at home for cheaper. I think these lashes in total I paid almost 100, but they were really 85. She had a little sale going on. But yeah, that's my lashes. Like I said, today I'm getting my hair done, and tomorrow I'm getting my eyebrows and probably my nails done as well.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to call. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall.
It's currently 10:47. My hair appointment is for 11:15, and it is about like 28 minutes away. So yeah, but I also have to stop at Quick Trip so I can get a cash because I do owe $100. I already paid the deposit, but I still owe 100. So yeah, definitely got to stop at Quick Trip. So I just pulled up to the address. If you're from St. Louis, I'm right off of like Chippewa and Kings Highway. But yeah, I stopped at Quick Trip, got the money. Four and a half hours later, and I am back, but it is worth it, y'all. My hair, like, y'all probably won't be able to get the full effect in the car, but my actual braids is popping. My edges on fleek, the fuck. But Jada did her thing. I think that's her name. Shout out to her. But I will definitely be getting my hair done by her again. Like, my hair is so cute. She was nice. I kind of fell asleep during half my appointment. But yeah, I love my hair. This is my first time really getting my hair done since I moved to St. Louis, and I've been here 2 years. So yeah, she made my eyelashes pop too. I was feeling my lashes before, but now baby, everything is looking good. I'm excited. Tomorrow I have my brow wax and tinting appointment, I think at like 10 a.m. Since I'm stuck in traffic, I'm gonna go ahead and have a little mini vape sesh, you guys. So I always have a few vape pens in my purse, and the vape pens that I have in my purse today are the High Five Beast, in the flavor Mamba, and I also have the High Five disposable vape, this one. So it's two different vapes by High Five, and this one is in Summer Mojito. So these are what the vapes look like. Hold on, I am driving, you guys, but they are in my lap. So these are what the two vape pens look like. Sorry, Smokey's hair is in it. But yeah, that's what the Summer Mojito High Five vape pen looks like. And this is what the Mamba Beast vape pen looks like. So yeah, super cute. I'm gonna be having a little sesh with you guys while I'm stuck in traffic. If you saw one of my last vape sesh videos, I told y'all that I have a bunch of vape pens that I'm just not using. And I have a few by High Five that I just have not opened. I got this one. I did a High Five video, vape sesh video, maybe like 2 months ago. But yeah, there's still a bunch that I have not opened. But Mamba tastes kind of sweet. They all taste pretty much the same, to be honest with you. Pretty basic, fruity, leaves a good taste in your mouth, but they do have nicotine in it. But yeah, I have 5 of these High Five vapes that I haven't opened. I think 2 are the High Five Beast vapes, and the other 3 are like this one right here. It looks like a little pill. It's cute. But yeah, the colors are bright and cute, and they all taste pretty fruity. This one is Summer Mojito, and it does kind of taste like alcohol. So yeah, that's why I opened this one to try this one. But traffic is finally picking up, you guys. This is what makes the Beast one so cute. They have like little tops with little horns on them. I had a pink one. Short story time. While I was at the bus stop, I was vaping on my little pink High Five Beast, and this random guy came up to the bus stop, started talking to me, yo. Like, I feel blessed. I'm glad I met you. You make my life better. Like, I'm really out here just trying to do better. I ain't trying to have more than one woman. And mind you, I'm sitting here like, I'm like, bro, what is you talking about? But he was trying to holler basically, and he just took my vape out of my hand and started like hitting it, and I'm sitting here like, excuse you. But yeah, I took the vape back and got on the bus, but I've never used it since then. I don't know where that man's mouth has been. But yeah, that's my little story time.
I get my shoot away, meat and cheese, and that's the rat. Ain't nighttime, but you a tango. How you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fuck the same. How you do that, baby? Shit, I catch up on the AR. How you did that? Check out lift up when you take off. How you did that? You put switches up on your blickies. How you did that? Your LV bed turned to a legit. How you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis. How you did that? That look like a brand new booty. How you did that?
Good morning. It's actually noon, but I'm gonna still hit y'all with that good morning. It is a beautiful day. As y'all can see, I already went and got my eyebrows done. Yes. I already showed y'all the clips of that. I love that experience, you guys. Like, if you know me, like for real, my eyebrows are one of the things I'm insecure about because they aren't symmetrical at all. I tried to do them myself a long time ago, and ever since, just aren't symmetrical. They never were. And my mom and my grandmother, they don't have eyebrows, so I was lucky to even get some. But I definitely got my eyebrows done by Jamie. Shout out to her. She did an amazing job. I was almost 10 minutes late. I woke up a little late, but I got there. She was already doing somebody else. She did me kind of at the same time. But yeah, she works fast. I got a wax and a tint for $40. Definitely worth it. Definitely will be going back to her. She did an amazing job. I love my eyebrows. Everything is coming together. I got my lashes done, my brows, my hair. The only thing that I haven't got done is my nails, and I'm not sure where I'm going to get my nails done, to be honest. I don't even know if I am going to get my nails done. But right now, I'm driving to run some errands, and I got my little bong. If y'all seen some of my videos, I've had this bong in some of my videos. But yeah, I'm going to be hitting this. I know I'm driving, but let's go ahead and hit it one good time, you guys. Let me hold the wheel and hold it. I'm a G at smoking and eating while driving. Like, I will figure it out and get it done. Definitely got the hit I was looking for. But yeah, I'm gonna continue on my drive and check in with you guys. I definitely need to go to the post office and mail off these giveaway items. I did do a giveaway for some vape pens, and I had 5 winners. It's already been announced, but yeah, I had 5 winners, so I need to mail that stuff off. So it's been a few days, but I'm just now pulling up at the post office. Finally found some time to mail off these giveaway packages. So to everyone who won a vape from my giveaway, yeah, they're coming in the mail soon. I am at the post office, like I said. I also have a package that I'm mailing my mom, so I'm gonna do that now. And after this, I'm probably gonna go to Quick Trip, re-up on some Rellos, and then chill and smoke with a friend. So yeah.